Welcome to FireFlink. In this video, the user will explore how to apply pre- and post-conditions at different levels across FireFlink. To begin with, it's essential to understand what precondition and postcondition mean. Precondition refers to a condition that must be executed before the actual script begins. On the other hand, a postcondition is a condition that should be performed after the actual script execution is completed. Within FireFlink, pre- and post-conditions can be implemented at 3 different levels: script, module, and project. Starting at the script level, a sample script titled Verify User is able to add a product to cart is opened. In this scenario, it's known that login is required before a product can be added to the cart. Therefore, logging into the application is ideal as a precondition in this script. Once the product is added, logging out and closing the browser can serve as suitable postconditions. These pre- and post-conditions can be added using 2 methods: the Quick Access panel or the arrow functionality. By clicking the right arrow beside the script, an option labeled pre- and post-condition becomes visible. Selecting this opens a slider panel directly above the script. Alternatively, the Quick Access panel contains a dedicated icon representing pre- and post-condition. Clicking on it while being in the script brings up the same slider. To begin adding a precondition, the user should click on the plus precondition button. A search field appears to browse available step groups. We should note that only step groups can be configured as pre- or post-conditions. Selecting the Login to ShopperStack step group opens another slider displaying options such as a status toggle, if failed checkpoint, add and continue, and cancel. Since only one precondition is needed in this case, clicking the Add button completes the process and confirms it with a success message. To add a postcondition, the Postcondition tab needs to be selected. Again, by clicking plus postcondition, a search field appears. Let's select the Logout and Close Browser step group. Here, in addition to the existing options, a toggle named Must Execute is available. Enabling this ensures the selected postcondition is executed, regardless of if failed checkpoints in the script. After clicking Add, a success message confirms the addition of postcondition. Closing the slider reveals that pre- and postconditions are now visible in the script. Moving on to the module level, pre- and postconditions can be configured through the arrow functionality. Hovering over the desired module, such as Home, reveals a plus icon. On hovering over it, 3 arrows appear. Clicking the right arrow displays multiple options, including pre- and post-conditions. Selecting it opens a slider where the current module is auto-selected. Pre- and post-conditions are added here similarly to script level, but with one key difference: the presence of a cascade toggle. This enables cascading the condition across all scripts within the selected module. For instance, after selecting a step group for precondition and enabling cascade, the same condition becomes visible within each script under that module. A tag indicating the condition was cascaded from the module is also displayed. Likewise, a postcondition can also be applied at the module level with cascading enabled. Finally, at the project level, the process closely resembles that of the module level, including the availability of the cascade option. To add pre- or post-conditions here, either the Quick Access panel can be utilized without opening any script in the tree structure, or the right arrow functionality is selected, followed by the pre- and post-condition option. In this case, the Select Module field automatically detects the current project. If needed, this selection can be switched from project to a specific module or vice versa with the help of this button. Once selected, pre- and post-conditions can be added to the respective target, whether it is a module or the overall project. In this video, the user has learned how to configure pre- and post-conditions within FireFlink at the script, module, and project levels. The distinction between levels, the use of quick access and arrow functionalities, and the cascading feature have been thoroughly demonstrated. Thank you for watching the video. To learn more or schedule a free demo, visit www.fireflink.com.